How's it going, everyone? I'm Sam Agnew. I'm a developer evangelist at Twilio. How many of you have heard of Twilio before? Cool, a bunch of you. How many of you were here last year at Tri-Swift in New York? Awesome. Looks like we got a lot of first-timers here. Well, anyway, for those of you who haven't heard, with Twilio, you, the developer, can build software that communicates with everyone in the world. That could mean just about anything. It could mean anything from writing code to send and receive text messages and make and receive phone calls, to adding video conferencing to your web and mobile applications. But today, I'm going to talk to you about Twilio's Programmable Chat API. Now, a bunch of you who were here last year might remember I did a demo on this back when our API was in beta. But now Programmable Chat is generally available. So with Twilio Programmable Chat, you can add fully featured chat functionality into your iOS applications, as well as web and Android. You could build something similar to an app like Slack, where users can join channels and send messages to them and stuff like that. So anyway, I already have a little bit of a demo app built right now that might look a little bit familiar. And my buddy Martin over here is going to come chat with me. You want to get on stage real quick? Just like hop over here. So me and him are gonna start chatting. And as you see, I have this web app. So I'm gonna say, "Hey Martin," and I think he has it open on his phone, so he can chat with me a bit too. Cool. Let's see what he said. He said, "Hey, what's up?" Look at that. We're chatting over the internet. That's cool and all, but we're iOS developers, and this is a web app, so that's not that great, right? So I'm going to hop over to Xcode, where I have most of a demo application built out already. So the way this works is when it comes to authentication, you have to write some server-side code or have server-side code generate authentication tokens that you will grab to validate with our API. All of that stuff's already taken care of, so I just need to write some code to make it so that I can receive messages from him on my iOS app. So I'm going to start by building out this Twilio Chat Client Delegate. And first things first, I'm going to fill out our synchronization status updated function. And with this, this will get called every time the state of the application changes. So I'm just going to say if the status is equal to completed, then I'm going to do some stuff. So if the status is completed, I'm going to take the channels, and I'm going to try to join the general channel. So first, I'm going to grab a channel with a unique name, which is going to be general. And then I'm going to, I like the other syntax for completion handlers. So this callback is going to have a result and a channel. And I'm grabbing that channel, and what I want to do is join it. But before I can join it, I'm going to unwrap it in an if-let, because a lot of people are talking about force unwrapping optionals today, and I don't want to do that right now, unless I'm really excited about it, because you can be really excited to write exclamation points. So I'm going to throw that in an if-let, and then I'm going to set my global general channel variable on this object to be equal to this channel, and then I'm going to join the general channel. So this also takes a completion handler, and this will have a result in it, and I could do whatever I want with this, but at this point I've joined the channel, so I'm just going to print something. I'm going to say, let's say I'm going to print joined channel with completion, or with a result, and I'm going to just string interpolate that result. And you know what? Because I want to make a joke about being really excited about joining this channel, I'm just going to force unwrap that optional right there, because exclamation points are cool. And now all I need to do is fill out the message added function, which gets called whenever a message is added to a channel that I am subscribed to. So I only need to do two things in this. I need to grab my global messages array, which is an array of all the messages that were sent to this channel, and I'm going to append this new message to it, and then I'm going to reload the data of a table view that is, it basically has all of those messages in it. So with that done, I should be able to compile this, and I should be able to chat with my buddy here on an iOS app and not just on this web app that I had already pre-baked. So as soon as this loads up, unless I did something totally wrong, which I hopefully didn't do. All right, let's see. We got this chat right here. Looks like I'm joining the general channel. I'm logged in as Daft Isaac Utica. Yeah, it generates a random name for you. All right, so let me say stuff. Hey, try Swift. I'm gonna say. Cool. Do you want to try talking to me in this app as well? Looks like he's typing something. I'm also gonna just give you all my Twitter handle at SagnewShreds, because why not? Need something to write in this app, right? So my Twitter handle is SagnewShreds right there. But also, I know what you're all thinking. You're like, wow, I want to build something with that, but I don't want to spend any of my money to just hack around with something. So I'm going to give you our promo code. It's just try Swift 17. So if you want to get $25 of free Twilio creds, you just need to use try Swift 17 when you upgrade your Twilio account from a trial account. You'll be able to get all those Twilio dollars and not have to actually use your real money to build cool stuff. Those message added delegate callbacks, delivering our messages in real time, are a real club banger. Cool. So as you can see, we are chatting on this on an iOS app right now, and that is using Twilio Programmable Chat, which is now generally available. So you don't have to build out your WebSocket infrastructure. It takes care of all the data synchronization stuff and all that. And yeah, everyone say hi to Martin. Thanks a lot, dude, for joining me on stage.